friend of mine the other day had been listening to that lovely traditional English working song called Poverty Knock, which many of you know, and he suggested I come up with something along the lines of Covidy, Covidy, cough, and why not? Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now don't take the mickey and scoff. Covidy, Covidy, cough. I know that it sounds a bit rough. Oh, Covidy, Covidy, cough. Please don't carry me off. Don't be so fickle, it's only a tickle, not Covidy, Covidy, cough. My mate Charlie has set me this task. I'm wishing that he didn't ask. He said, will you write for us a Covidy chorus and sing it while wearing a mask? Alright, I told him it might take a day or two, but I would find something to say. But this is on Zoom. I pleaded, a mask isn't needed. He said, you look better that way. What a cheek. Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now don't take the mickey and scoff. Covidy, Covidy, cough. I know that it sounds a bit rough. Oh, Covidy, Covidy, cough. Please don't carry me off. Don't be so fickle, it's only a tickle, not Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now I'm willing to take a few wagers that people will think I'm contagious, 'cause while drinking me coffee I swallowed a toffee and couldn't stop coughing for ages. It's not COVID nor typhoid fever, nor plague nor leprosy neither, just a cough and a sneeze and a bit of a wheeze, but you think I was having a seizure with me Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now don't take the mickey and scoff. Covidy, Covidy, cough. I know that it sounds a bit rough. Oh, Covidy, Covidy, cough. Please don't carry me off. Don't be so fickle, it's only a tickle, not Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now at Sainsbury's I saw my friend Polly. She was disinfecting her trolley. I tried to explain she had nothing to gain. At her age it's simply a folly. Then I carried on with great persistence, kissing the young shop assistants. The girls ran away, but the boys were all gay and intruded on my social distance. Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now don't take the mickey and scoff. Covidy, Covidy, cough. I know that it sounds a bit rough. Covidy, Covidy, cough. Please don't carry me off. Don't be so fickle, it's only a tickle, not Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now we know politicians require us to fight off this pandemic virus, and whatever they do, we cannot do too. That's not the way to inspire us. They'll go in a car or a train, just to show their contempt and disdain, while they sign all those dockets to line their mates' pockets. How money all rolls down the drain. So long live Covidy, Covidy, cough. Now don't take the mickey and scoff. Covidy, Covidy, cough. I know that it sounds a bit rough. Oh, Covidy, Covidy, cough. Please don't carry me off. Don't be so fickle, it's only a tickle, not Covidy, Covidy, cough. Not Covidy, Covidy, cough. Not Covidy, 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 Covidy. COVID.